To win in food, you really have to know the business of food today. And the Nutrition from Water team knows it all the way from the technology side and product to commercial. And we've been really impressed with the founders. They're veterans, they move incredibly quickly. And it shows because Alex and Toby have closed billions of dollars of B2B deals. And we think because of that, they really have a great chance at being an enduring food company.
For over 30 years, Alex and I crossed the globe, bringing advanced nutrition solutions to the largest consumer brands and restaurant chains. Across every continent, we saw the endless demand for dairy protein as the leading solution for quality nutrition and the aspirational solution for the rising global middle class. So, as competition emerged, like soy and pea proteins, they were always second-rate choices. While affordable, they lacked taste, digestibility, and amino acid scores. Meanwhile, precision fermentation remained too expensive for everyday use. And though dairy is the product of choice, the industry faces headwinds. Tightening regulations have plateaued production, resulting in price instability and shuttered food processing plants. Incredibly, there's a supply gap projected at a massive 31 million tonne annual shortfall by 2030. Behind every closed door, this is the number one concern of global nutrition companies. How can they keep providing their most demanded ingredient, dairy proteins?
Seeing this opportunity, we created Marine Whey. From the pristine waters of New Zealand, we combine the taste, performance, nutrition and affordability of dairy with the sustainability and scale of our proprietary strain library.
What does this look like in action? And what does this mean for our partners? A near perfect bio-mimetic replacement or blend with whey, which is totally non-GMO and critically at a price point that allows us to feed another 2 billion people. As food people, we know that taste is king. So we've been busy whipping up Marine Whey products with formulation powerhouse OCS ingredients. From milk and creamers to pasta, breads, noodles and protein bars, we're dropping into the largest and fastest moving categories. We're talking billions of units each year.
This isn't an aspirational plan. This is a reality today. We're already producing our drop-in solution at thousands of litres and ready to scale to hundreds of tonnes for over $8 million in first-run orders. Our global coalition has the capacity, feedstock and expertise to quickly get to commercial scale. In the last year, Alex and I have been back to our roots, crossing the world to build this category with some of the world's leading nutrition companies, including Nise Kyoeki, Osage, Socius, and global giant Cargill for APAC. Several others can't yet be named publicly. Together, we're targeting 1 million metric tonnes of product by 2030. From New Zealand to the world, we're Nutrition from Water, and we invite you to join us in bringing delicious, affordable nutrition for all.